Hello friends, today I'm doing unboxing of Victoria's Secret, no, UGG Australia boots from Victoria's Secret store online. I've got Mother Woman Barley Bow 2 mini Barley Bow 2 in the pink color. I bought similar already from Victoria's Secret size 11 and I still wearing it, but these ones were only $30 by the way, because they were on sale for 100, but I had some coupons, rewards and returns. I got the returns and they changed the return policy that now you have only 30 days to return, and I returned few things and they came later than return period, and I was refunded with gift card. So I decided to get this cute boots because I really like them. If I destroy other pair, I will have this ones, nice pair, and these are smaller size because other ones are a little too big and I might wear them with thicker socks, and this would be with thinner socks to wear. So they came with this tissue with inserts and inserts again inside, but it's hard to take out. And this quality, they are quality, that's why I again bought them, only $30, so it's worth in my opinion, because they were selling out fast, and I really like this model, and I prefer to buy shoes actually than some clothing also. And lately I got clothing from sweatpants from Victoria's Secret, pink, so, and still I will get, I got some coupon codes, yeah, that I could buy with some, but they don't work for shoes, so that's why shoes I've got for gift cards, and they are really nice, size 9. So what they have? They are mini, they only have one of these ribbons on the back. Here they have Axe logo stitched. What else? Nice color, sheepskin. At least this model has thicker fur inside, as you can see it's thick, so these models are good quality, better than other models like UGG Tall, because they're not so good with that fur, but these ones are really thick and they are warm for winter and spring, maybe summer, but I doubt. Spring, winter and fall. They are really nice. Here they are stitched, and here are roll cards, not stitched. Yeah, and here we have this typical trimming of Uggs, and so looks like this. Nice. See? And they are flexible too. And here we have sticker. And I can try them on and show you guys how they look on me. Yeah, so size 9 fit better without socks, but still fit in socks, but it's just tight around that ankles. Wow, it's hard to put them on in my thicker socks. I don't wanna rip them because this your ankle is tight, but I managed. So it looks like this. This is how I look. Very nice. And back looks like this. Okay, so today weather looks like this, and that's it for this video. Hope you enjoy unboxings. Thumbs up and subscribe for future videos. See you in the next ones. Yay!